Hi, my name's Joe Bougher. I'm with Transwest Trailers, and today I wanted to do a quick walk around on an equipment trailer that we just got in for the Asphalt show actually coming up. And it'll be our stock trailer after that show. It's a TK80SA, so it's a 40 ton, if you will, 80,000 pound capacity sliding axle. The trailer, super popular with paving companies and anybody who's moving typically smaller pieces of equipment up to mid-size weight, so to speak. Trailer has a lot of moving parts, so I'll just kind of go over those features real quick. Starting up front, you have the wet kit that you have to run this trailer off of a wet kit. There's no pony motor or anything like that to run it. So you have your pressure and your return, your air lines and your electric lines up front, just as normal typical trailers do. On the side of the trailer, right here in the front, there's a toolbox, and you have doors on each side, and you have doors from the top. So you have access into a couple different ways to get into those toolboxes. Makes it pretty convenient when you're up there. You come to the side here, you have a couple different air suspension to drop your suspension, raise your suspension, and drop your airbags. All the controls to operate the trailer are within these three push-pull controls right here. You have different work lights, instrument panel lights. One of the cool things about this trailer, and I'll show you when we walk around the other side, is you can control this trailer, the same functions right here, on the other side. It just makes it so that you can get out of harm's way. If we're on a road and people are zipping by you on the street, you can control from the other side and not have to be in harm's way. This trailer has the winch that you saw up there, and the remote control for the winch, the receiver's right here. So you can get these trailers to have remote controls to do full function, meaning that one person could show up and hit a remote and the axles will move forward and all that kind of stuff, but we choose to bring them in with a remote control that just operates the winch there. So the trailer, as we move forward right here, if you're looking on top of the deck, it has a bunch of tie downs for securing your equipment. So the chain ties right here, or key slots, that's what you can call them there. And you have those around the whole perimeter of the trailer and down the middle. It makes it convenient so that you have a number of different options and placements to secure pieces of equipment there. As you come forward, the trailer, the way this works, those axles down there will slide all the way forward, and then the deck will come up. And when it does that, you have a 6-degree load angle, which is the lowest of all of the equipment trailers that Trail King makes. The other thing you can do is you can lift it up even further, and let's say you were hauling containers on this trailer, you can have a 15-degree dump angle to get the container to slide off. Mid-turn signals, middle of the trailer there. Another cool feature about this trailer is the frame is a whole perimeter of the trailer, so it just makes it stronger on the outside and in the middle. Like I said, these axles move all the way forward. We have them on aluminum wheels on this particular trailer. In the back, we have a couple different lube points where you can make sure that you're getting everything greased. A nice convenient spot right there. And then there's a strobe light switch right here to turn strobe lights on and off when you're using the trailer. Just another place to turn the strobe lights on the rear. And I don't know if my cameraman can get in here, but there's another bank to be lubing your the trailer. They put them all in one convenient spot, which is super nice. Back of the trailer has the key slots in the X formation, so you can load things all the way back here also. And then, as I was saying before, the controls for the trailer are also on this side. The instrument panel, lights, and so forth are on the other side, but you can turn them on. It'll turn this light on to illuminate this whole panel for when you're working in the evenings. And as you go around the whole trailer, I showed you the bank on the back, on the side. There's a couple other lube points throughout the trailer. You can see them, they label everything, just to make sure that you're extending the life of the trailer by making sure everything's greased well. That's really about it for this trailer. If you have any questions, I can be reached at 720-257-1126 or by email at joe.bougher, which is BOUGHER @transwest.com. Have a great day. Thanks.